So I just serviced a Discovery L319 2.7. As I've serviced it, I need to reset the service schedule on it. So I'll just run through with you how to do that. So I've got it set up in the car now. That's what we've got. So basically, I'm just going to tell it it's had an oil service. The ignition is on. Okay, we don't need that. Going to hot functions. Oil reset. Auto oil reset. We're Europe, and this is a UK model right-hand drive. The ignition is on. That's the key off. And the range is 2.45. Let me come back in a minute. Right, 12.8. Ignition is on. It's on position 2. And that's it. Simple as that. Just back out now. So just a real quick video on how to reset the oil service indicator. Obviously you need the scan tool to do it. There's probably other methods, but I'll use the proper method. Anyway, if you like my videos, please subscribe, like, hit the bell, and comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.